Meaning of destructure.
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 Destructure. Destructure, also known as deep structure, refers to the underlying syntactic representation of a sentence before any transformations such as passive or topicalization have been applied. It is a concept in generative grammar and was first proposed by Noam Chomsky in the 1950s. The destructure contains all the necessary information for generating the surface structure of a sentence. It serves as an intermediate step between the abstract underlying meaning of a sentence and its actual expression in language. In short, destructure represents the fundamental structure of a sentence before any modifications are made.